Hey guys, let's talk about branding. One way to brand your company is to literally put your logo everywhere. An easy way to brand yourself right now is to go find some blank masks and put your logo on them because everyone sees those everywhere you go. Also, did you know when you're using your Cricut that you do not need a Cricut mat? You can see right here, I put in my HTV right into my Cricut, did not put it on a mat, and I'm cutting out my logo right down onto that HTV. I always cut my vinyl twice. This makes it just easier to weed. I don't have to do that because I'm missing a mat. I just do that regardless. Even if I put it on a mat, I always cut it twice. All you gotta do is just don't push the unload button and push the cut button twice. Score! I even found these masks on sale, saving money. I set my heat press to 315. I go ahead and put the mask inside. I did not use a cover sheet like a Teflon mat or a pillowcase. Never had an issue, so save money, save time. Here we go. I let it sit for 15 seconds. Sorry about the appearance of my heat press. It's old, I've had it forever, and it's a little dusty. Once that side's done, I flip it over. I add the second decal in HTV, and I do another press for 15 seconds. After that 15 seconds, I flip it over and I do 5 seconds on each side. I like to do this to, just in case, catch anything I might have missed and make sure it's pressed on really well. Once it's cooled off, I go ahead and peel the carrier sheet away from the decal. On both sides, I flip it over, gotcha both sides. And voila, you've got yourself a branded face mask. Now, anywhere you go, people are going to ask you, what's Littlelee and Rose? And then you can tell them all about your company and what you sell and what you do.